Vivo launched the iQOO 7 smartphone back in January, and according to leaksters, there is another gaming phone in the pipeline, the Vivo iQOO Neo 5, a successor of the SD865-powered iQOO Neo 3. The new phone will arrive in the middle of March with a Snapdragon 870 chipset, a Samsung display, and some of the fastest charging rates on the market, 88W through the wire and 66W wirelessly for the 4400 mAh battery. The screen will be a Super AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and will have room for 116MP shooter. While the screen is confirmed information, the camera setup is yet to be confirmed. On the back, the Vivo iQOO Neo 5 is said to have 3 shooters: a 48MP main one with a Sony IMX598 sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide-angle shooter, and a 2MP lens, likely for macro shots or assisting in portrait photos. Other unconfirmed but possible specs include dual speakers and a frame made of aluminum for better endurance and heat dissipation. Prices are estimated to go between CNY 2,998 and CNY 3,698, anywhere between $464 and $572.